Today we are discussing the topic is what is correlation. First of all, we can see the correlation is nothing but capturing dynamic values from the server response. This is called as a correlation. Correlation, correlation. Some dynamic values generated. Values generated. That values every time should be dynamic only. It will go to the server only. Server accept. So same value you are sending every time, every iteration we are sending the same value. Server it will throw the error. Server don't accept the same values. So that reason we need to correlate these values, and after that we can to send to the server like J session IDs, authentication tokens, unique request parameters, CSRF tokens, use state values, video IDs. This different type of tokens available in a correlation values. So this value we need to correlate. Then we can send to the that values to the server. Then only server accept the values. Otherwise, it will throw the error. So in correlation, there are two types of correlation available in a JMeter. One is automatic correlation, manual correlation. Automatic correlation, we can use JMeter plugin is available. Plugin name is BlazeMeter. And manual correlation, we can use some extractors available in a JMeter, like regular expression extractor, JSON extractor, boundary extractor. Different type of extractors available in JMeter. First of all, today we can see the record the script, and we can check the correlation values, and we can do the correlation. First of all, I'm going to set the proxy server. I'm opening the Mozilla Firefox, maximizing. I'm going to the settings. You can search here proxy. Go to settings. Here is the by default no proxy. You can select the manual proxy. You can use proxy is localhost port number 8080. Give save OK. I'm already added certificate. See root certificate. If you want see that video, you can check with the previous videos. You will find it. How to add root certificate also. Then I'm closing this browser. Okay, I'm opening to the JMeter. I'm going to so this is Apache JMeter 5.5 version I'm using currently. Go to bin folder inside we have Apache JMeter jar. This file is there. You can double click this one. Now JMeter is opening. Okay, just maximize it. So I want to record the script, and I'm going to the by default template recording template. Going here and drop down and search a recording. We can create. We can create. So some by default recording template came here. This is a HTTP script recorder. This for only for recording. Just I'm enabling this option. By default is disabled. I'm changing the port number here. I'm giving browser is 8080. I'm giving 8080. I'm going here. I'm changing the recording controller. Do not group samplers. I'm selecting the option. Weekly express matching. Just I'm disabling this option now. And also we can go to the view result tree. We can give path here. This path for recording response. You can store the one file. But I'm giving that file path name here. It's browsing. I'm selecting the location. I'm selecting the desktop. I'm giving jpet dot jtl. Exchange should be jtl or xml or csv. You can give any option, but I'm preferring jtl. One you can give anything. Just click on open. This is the showing some error. Just ignore this message. This is not a problem. Okay. I'm set the everything, proxy everything set it here. 800. I'm starting the recording now. First of all, I'm check the application URL. This is the application URL, the App Store application URL. I'm copying this. I'm start the recording now. Just click on OK. I'm giving launch. I'm opening the browser, open the new private window. I'm pasting that link. So I'm landed here, this home screen. Now I want to log in here. I'm give change the transaction name. Login. Giving login username is J2W username. Password also J2W. Just click on login. Okay. Now I want to log off. I'm performing the log off. I'm stop the recording now. I- I'm closing this. See, this much of script recorded here. This is a Mozilla URLs. So I'm removing first of all I'm removing the unwanted URLs. This is not related to our application. This is a Mozilla related browser related stuff. So this is a Mozilla, 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 Mozilla. This is a JPEG store. This is our application. Previous request I'm removing. This is JPEG store application. This is our application JPEG store. This is see here the IP address or a name application of the name. You can see here. It's, here is a Mozilla. This is not our application. Just I'm removing this. Control X. This is not our application. I'm doing this. This is our application. October JPEG store. This is our application. This is our application. Unlog. So this is all our application. First of all, how we'll find the correlation values. So we can search here. You can see here. Here is nothing correlation value here. Nothing is there. Here also nothing is there. I'm going to log in. See here the session ID. Session ID is CSR token, authentication token, like unique request parameters, serious token, view state values, video IDs, some kind of values generated. This value also dynamically it will change. So how we'll find it? This is a dynamically changing. Is the experienced person they will see the values, then only he will understand. But beginner difficult to understand. Beginners to record the same user flow two times, then compare the both scripts wherever it's changing. Then you will find it the which value is changing or not. So once again, I will record the same for user flow. I will record. Then you will compare the both scripts. Then you will understand. And once again, open the new JMeter. See here is open new JMeter. I'm going the same template. I'm taking the same recording template. Just create it. Just create it. Just I'm recording speedily. I'm enable this option. I'm giving a set the proxy 8080. I'm using a recording controller. Do not group samplers. I'm doing this option. Okay, I'm start the recording now. I'm going to answer again launch LUCH launch. I'm opening the browser, opening the new window, private window. Whenever your recording script for the incognito mode. Once again, copy the application URL. So we are landed in the home screen. Now I want to give the login. Click on login. Username J2W. Password also same. Click on OK. Now I want to perform the log off. Just I'm clicking on sign out. Now I'm stop the recording now. Whenever recording is completed, you should disable the proxy. Go to settings. Let me exit. Go to the settings. Search a proxy. Set the no proxy. Click on OK. Let's close it. See, we are recorded two scripts. I'm removing unwanted URLs. Mozilla, 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 Mozilla. It's not our application related. Mozilla, Mozilla. This is picture of our application. Before request, I'm just cut it. Control X. We will remove your application. This is our application. These are not our application. Our application. Our application. Our application. Our application. So this is our application. Now we have to compare the both scripts. Just I'm reducing size. See here. l- So launch. Here is the launch. Go to login. See here the session ID. Some value is generated. So I will compare the whole scripts. See this value is different. I'm just copying this value. G session ID. I'm copying this value. See, every time the value has been changed here. So previous script is this is the value. Yes, session new script I recorded. This is the value. So every time value is changing. So server don't accept the same value every time. If you are every time we are sending the same value, server don't accept. It will throw the error. So we need to collate this value dynamically. How we can see now. So go to the JMeter. So copy this value. Copy it. This is a request number is 38. Okay. Just remember this value number 38. You can when your recording is completed, you can remove this path here. Why means by means you click clear all. This original response it will gone. So that's the reason you can remove this option. Just search here. Number is 38. Just search here. See, this is a 38. See, here is a 38. So before only we can collect before request only we can search that value. Same value, same place will coming. Don't need to search here. No need to do correlation everything here. Before request we want to search. Same copying here. Search here. I think finding here. So this is we can check. This is a touchstone only, and also you can check 20 also. You can search here. See now we find it here. Launch request name is 20. So we find it here. find it here. You can just copy this line, paste in a notepad plus plus, just double paste it. So this is the value every time it is changing. So just remove this value, put on parenthesis. 1 second. Sorry. So you can open the give parenthesis and give inside dot, not comma, give dot and give star. Dot means match any character. Star means zero or more times. We can give plus also. Plus means one or more times. They will interview. They will ask what is a plus, what is star. You can tell the plus means one or more times. Star means zero or more times. We'll show you how this we can explain this star, star, dot, star, question mark. We'll explain separate session for this. I will explain later. Give question mark here. Take this value. This to this much. Whenever value changing, we can remove that value and give this expression. Go to JMeter. See, we can test here 20th request. Go to the text. Go to the text here. You can check the regular express extractor. View here. View name here. You can testing now here. Does value capturing or not? We are giving this these extractors. Just click on. See, these many times appear in the application. You can see. You can search here. Here is the value. This is the match number is 1. Okay. This is a match number 1. So if you give match number 2, this value appear here. So this is the view code. This is also coming in that response. Sign off. This all response will come. So this session ID multiple times appear in applications. So response. You should find it properly response. This is the match number is 1. This is the our value. See, you can see here. This is the our value. So properly we are capturing here. Match number is 1. So we can give match number is a 1. So go to we are finding 20th request. Go to 20th here. You can add. Right click, go to the add. Go to the post process. Take the regular expression extractor. We can use the regular expression here. We can use name variable. We can give name variable anything. I'm taking the same variable name here. I'm giving C underscore, giving the session C means correlation value. So here is a template. I'm giving template $1. So $1 means we are capturing only one value here. One value. So we can give one value only. For example, if you have two values, three values in the same line, when you capture the all values, we can give this many dollars. Like for example, same you can think like same line only, like this way, not session ID. We can use something C SRF something CRS session ID something is late. That time we can give $2 like that way we want to capture the both values. That time we can give like this. So now we have a only requirement is only one correlation value only. So that reason I'm giving $1. I'm removing this one. Give here is the match number. Match number means we are capturing that match number is 1. So you can give same number here. We have a We have a random also is there. Zero means random. Random means we have multiple values. We can give multiple values. We have multiple values. We can the randomly we can pick any value. We can give zero. We have only one value, right? Section ID we have only one value. So that reason I'm selecting one value. We want when to capture the array of list, we can give -1. We can see later class array -1. So we can see later classes. Now I'm giving the match number is giving one. I'm giving here is not found. Not found means correlation value is not capturing. Correlation is not capturing the value. Then default it will come debug sampler. You can see the response also. How will you check this? You can select this a main sample subsample. Wait for this option. No, all is set it here. Now I want to replace this option. Go to this value. Wherever this value, we can replace it. Just copy this session ID. Copy. Control F. You can paste it here. You can search. This is a value available in three places. I think is not going here. Going maybe headers. See, this address is going on. So no need to go to every place. Just search here. Just copy this value. You can give replace by dollar. Open flower brackets. Give the variable name. Close the flower brackets. Just replace all. Just click on these are showing three only. Just give one more time. See now replace by zero. So everything. So now is showing some green color here. You want to remove this green color. Just this brush button is there. Just reset search option is there. Just click on this. It will go. So now you can go. Now see session ID is changed here. See here header also. See session ID is changed here. See session ID is changed. All places that value wherever that value all it change here. So we want to run the application. First, I want to add the debug sampler. Go to the thread group. Go to sampler. Debug sampler. Debug sampler. It will show the what are the variables going on in application. It will show you in your visual tree. I will show you that also option. Just before going, I want to save this script. I'm saving desktop. I'm giving in jpet dot jmx. Jmx means extension. You should give mandatory. Just save it. Just save it. Just run it now. Go to the debug sampler. See session ID. We are able to capture that value properly. So if you are not capturing this value, it will come default value. What is default value? Not found session ID. It will show you here not found session value here. By mistake I will change the I will change here boundaries. Regular expression I will change here. Then you will see are they capturing or not. 1 second. I put on like this double quotes. And once again I will run the script. You see this for clear. Same as here only it will clear. So here also some data is this data will not clear. Which option we have selected that only it will clear this option. Clear all means here also it will clear. Here also data will clear. Here also data will clear. So we could prepare this option only. To clear entire one, sometimes it will problem for you. Just clear this option. Just saving once again. Once again I'm running now. See now I'm going deep sample. See session ID not found. See session ID. So that correlation value is not working. So that is the purpose we are using default value. We'll let you know what is the problem. Where is the problem? If I'm removing this, I'm removing the dots. Go to originally, I'm clearing once again. I'm saving once again. Whenever you run the script, you should save. Just run it. JMeter, it will not save automatically, so you should prepare the save option. See now session capturing. This is the way we can do the correlation or regular expression extractor. We can see later classes different options. Different options. We can do the correlation like boundary extractor, JSON extractor. We can see that are also later classes. Thank you, everyone.